If you're looking for a complete security package for your home or business, trust the experts at WH Security. We offer the whole package with high-tech, state-of-the-art technology that is professionally installed, monitored, and maintained locally by us. You can buy security cameras for your property, or you can buy a whole system experience and run it with one convenient app. WH Security has been providing thousands of homes and businesses in Minnesota with competitively priced security systems and fast response alarm monitoring for more than 30 years. We work with security products every day and understand the technical details so you don't have to. We listen to your needs, then design, professionally install, and maintain a custom security system specifically for you. Our best-in-class products include interactive services that allow you to control your system from anywhere there is an internet connection, giving you security at your fingertips. Arm and disarm your system, lock and unlock doors, even change the thermostat remotely with our easy-to-use app. We all want to feel safe in our homes and businesses, so we offer only the best products with professional installation and local monitoring. Our trusted security experts will help you every step of the way and simplify everything into one easy-to-use app. When it comes to the safety of your home, family, and business, leave it to the experts at WH Security.